Hello friends, welcome to Anirban's World of Digital Finance powered by S4HANA. I am Anirban and today I am going to show how to reverse a document. So this is SAP Logon icon. I click on it and I will log into SAP ECC. I enter my ID and my password. Alright, so why do we at all reverse a document? It could be for several reasons. Probably that we want to make any changes in various some fields which we have entered, or we have actually inadvertently made any mistakes, and we want to reverse the document. So the T code for entering for reversing the document is FB08. Once I enter FB08, I come to this screen where I will reverse the document, and I will also show you the menu as well. So it would be accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document, and here is reverse. Now if you see that there are two ways of reversal. One is individual reversal, another is reversal. In mass reversal, we would it gives us option to reverse more than one document. So we will first go for the individual reversal, and before we go, you'd also like to see the documents that are being posted here. So I'll go to FBO3 and I punch in my company code and the fiscal year, and then I go to document list, and then I click on execute. I override the message, and these are the documents that I have entered. Now I will select this one or this one with a 1 in the end. I would like to reverse this document. So what I'm going to do is I will put this document number and the company code as 234, fiscal year 2021. I'll select the reason. I'll select the reason reversal in wrong period. Sorry, reversal in current period. And then I'll click the select the posting date as just give me a moment. So I'll take the posting date as 8th of April. And the posting period is 1. And then let me see this display for before reversal. So this is the one that I'm going to display. So if you see that here the office expense is getting debited and cash is getting credited, the posting key 40 means it's a debit entry and 50 is a credit entry. So once we reverse, the cash should be debited, which is like 40, and office expense would be credited, which is 50, right? So we are going to post this document. We are going to post this document, and this one is posted. This reversal document is posted. All right. So if we go back to the FBO2 screen, FBO3 screen, we come out of this and then come out further, and then again we display and we hit enter. If you see this AB, this one is actually being reversed. So SA is the document type for the GL document we posted, and the reversal of SA document is AB document. So the reversal is being posted. So if you double click here, you see that as we have discussed before, that a cash has now being debited and office expenses created. So this is how it has been reversed. If you click here, the original entry, not this one though. So this is the reversal, and this one is probably the one. So this is office expense 40 and 50. The one has been reversed, and this is the original entry, and this is the reversal entry. Right. Now if you want to do the same thing with multiple in documents, so if we see, let's see if we want to reverse 2, 5, 6 and 7. So rent expense, and then probably 5 is office expense, and then 6 is professional fees, and 7 is, so 5, 6 and 7. Suppose if we want to reverse 5, 6 and 7. So if you want to reverse 5, 6 and 7, then we have to go for the mass reversal. So what we will do is that we will go out of this screen, and then we click on mass reversal. Now we will enter the company code 234. Document number, we will take it 2005. One which ends with 5, and then the one that which ends with 7. Alright, and the fiscal year is 2021. And then we click on the test run and see what results it gives. So you see here they say all the documents can be reversed from 5, 6 and 7. Now let's see, try to do something different. We say that if we go back 5, 6, and we say taken 5, 6, 7. But if we select 2 instead of 5, which we have already reversed. So let's see how what it would give. What is the outcome it gives. It's showing all documents that cannot be reversed. So I believe that we haven't reversed 2 as well. So just give me a moment. Yeah, sorry. So if we take 2001, if we take 2001 instead, which has already been reversed, let's see how it works. So 2001 has already been reversed. So you see that 2001 actually is shown separately, that this cannot be reversed because document was already reversed, and 2567 can be reversed, right? So this is the reason why we actually do it on a test run and see that which are one of the documents can be reversed and which cannot. So what we are going to do is that we will reverse 2000, the documents start ending with 5 to 7. So this is, we'll start with 5 to 7, do one more test run. So all can be posted, all can be reversed. So we will post this. So we will post this document. So you see the documents has been reversed. Now if we go to the listing, we come out and again we will execute. So you will see that all these three has been posted. So previously we have it was like ending with 2. Now the document type is AB and this is 3, and document number AB 4 and 5. So 3 documents has been reversed and the reversal documents has been posted here. So this is how you can do a individual reversal and the mass reversal. If you like this video, please like it, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.